And so as election draws nigh, the choice of the Jamaican voter will be to make a choice between two political parties, as it's been. That's what we have, two political parties. One of them will govern the country for the next 5 years after election, or unless something happens in between that forces an election. Nevertheless, the choice is going to be between the PNP and the JLP, and so voters will have to take a really serious look to see if they're satisfied with the work of the Jamaica Labour Party and the promises that party made, and all things considered when they go into the polling booth. Conversely, they will also have to look at the history of the People's National Party, as while that party has been in governance, and see, because the opposition party right now is not in power. So Mark Golding has not held political power. He has never been prime minister or anything, and the PNP has not been in office for the last 9 years. So the voters will have to take a really serious look at what both parties are offering, and hold both parties to what they say they're going to do, because that's how we get good government, when we hold people accountable. Having said that, I think an informed voter is a better voter. It's not just that you have a vote, but that you exercise that vote, not just for yourself. And as voters, we cannot afford to just make decisions based on our own needs. We have to think about the next generation and the one after that. So that would be my message to you voters. When you go in, not telling you how to vote, but look at what's happening around you and decide out of the two that you know one will have to, because apathy is not something that you should allow yourself to get involved in. And there's no such thing as a no vote. If you're registered to vote, vote, because not voting means somebody is going to make decision for you, and that's the last thing you want to have happen. Thank you.